Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. It's me, Kevin. Good morning and good afternoon to everyone who's watching the video, and welcome to How to Guide YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Genshin Impact username on mobile. So it's pretty simple to change your Genshin Impact username in mobile phone. But if you guys think you can just open Genshin Impact, go into setting and change your name from there, then basically remember that's not a username. The name which you can change from in-game is your game name. So username and game name is different, alright? So to change your username, basically you need to contact the staff of Genshin Impact, and then only you can change it, because there is no such thing as changing username and Genshin Impact. Once you set a username, it's set. The only way to change it is by contacting them and telling the reason why you want to change it. All right, so the name you can change on the game is the in-game name. All right, so username and game name is different. So let me tell you guys how you guys can change your username. Follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And Genshin Impact is an online game, free to play open world game. So if you guys want to try it, you can try it out as well. So let's get into the video. First step is you want to go to Gmail and contact the staff of Genshin Impact, so you guys can tell them your problem and why you want to change your username, because that's the only way you guys can do it. And to whom you want to send the email is, you need to send the email to them. Basically you want to compose the email to these two accounts over here. Let me show you guys these two accounts: Genshin_cm@mihoyo.com, and the other account is Genshin_cs@mihoyo.com. You want to send the email to these two accounts, and the email subject should be change username, and the reason should be my username got leaked, so I want to change my username. Can you help me change my username? And after that, basically they're going to reply to you within 1 or 2 days. After they reply to you, then basically they're going to tell you the ways on how you guys can change your username, and basically they're going to ask for some information. You need to provide them the information they ask you for. So yeah, then only you can change your username. So hope you guys are able to understand the video on how you guys can change your username on Genshin Impact. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope you guys are able to understand the video. And if you guys did not get any reply, then basically try to send them another request again. And if they still don't send you any reply, then they won't help you to change your username, because this type of situation, they rarely help you, because they don't want you to change your username. It's like a permanent thing. So if they don't help you, then there's no other way. This is the only way. So there's like a 50-50 chance of this working. So if it doesn't work, I'm sorry, but if it does work, then do hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below it worked. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day. And if it doesn't work, you can change your reason as well. Like right now I told like my username got leaked, but you can write like I want to change my username for other reason, whichever reason you want to write. All right, so that's it for today. Do hit that like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Until then, it's me, Kevin, signing out.